Hello everyone, this is Michael here with Ramiyak Bassin, and I'm fishing a kayak bass tournament out in Eau Claire, Wisconsin. And this tournament is with Great Lakes Kayak Fishing Series. Right now I am working a top water bait. I'm fishing about 10 feet away from the bank on a grass line that goes from about 1 to 3 feet deep. I'm bringing it in rather quick, hoping to get a lot of motion out of that top water lure so that way I could get a nice explosion. The topwater lure that I'm using is by Team No Fish Tackle. This is actually their Whopper Plopper Frog, and I absolutely love the movement out of this. So take a look. You're about to see that good surprise I have coming up. Moment when I'm about to net her, the thought through my head was, I don't believe she is going to fit inside this net at all. Either that or she is definitely going to break this net, which she actually almost did about midway. So as I take my quick photo here, I'm about to put her across my bending branches paddle to get a measurement on her because she will not fit on my catch board. And as I lay her over the paddle, I actually get the measurement of 35 inches, but as you're about to see, she flopped right off and there she went. Once again, this is the Team No Fish Rattling Whop frog. Essentially, they're whopper plopper. Beautiful colors on it, very realistic looking. Absolutely love it. The action on it was amazing. So I'm definitely taking this out on the water anytime I go up north.